In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix CS2 crashing on startup and black screen. So now, just imagine that Dota 2 is CS2. So you just have to click on properties, just right click and click properties. Then just type out slash autoconfig slash window. And that is the first method. Then let's go to second method. So just go to install files, then just browse and go to its core or the application of Dota 2. So I just have to find it. So once you find the Dota 2 application, you should right click and delete the application. So it takes process. I didn't find. So if you find CS2 and name it as application, just delete. And after that, you have to verify integrity of game files. Now that is the second method. The third method is just to go to check for updates of your Windows. And as you can see here, just check for updates. This is our third method. And just go. Then our fourth method is just to go device manager. Now go to your display or video card and update driver and search automatically for update for your driver, and that's it. And our fifth method is just go to its application. Example, if this is his application, you have to right click properties, go compatibility, and just click run this program as administrator and disable full screen optimizations and click apply.